Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, we will tell you about 7 best exercises to reduce arm fat. Every person is different, and every body is unique. However, there are certain issues that are common for lots of people. One of such issues is flabby arms. There is no need to become a member of a well-known gym and burn a hole in your pocket. You can perform these exercises in your house itself, using the things available. With these arm toning exercises, you can make your flabby arms fabulous in just 2 weeks. But you need to be determined enough to do so. These 7 best exercises to reduce arm fat will target both your biceps and triceps, toning and strengthening them and increasing your overall calorie expenditure, thus promoting weight loss. Number 1. Arm circles. This is yet another classic exercise for arms that is included in most exercise regimes in order to tone and shape the flabby arms. You can do this exercise with or without weights. Being a low-impact exercise, it can be done while following the vegan 7-day meal plan. You can hold 2 600 ml water bottles in 2 hands while doing the arm circles. How to do arm circle. Stand with your feet placed shoulder width apart, and arms extend straight to your sides, raised at shoulder height. Now, do 50 small circles with your hands by rotating them in the forward direction. Then switch to 50 small backward circles. The backward and forward arm movement tones all the muscles of the arms, including the triceps, biceps, shoulders and back muscles as well. Number 2. Scissors. This exercise can be really fun to perform, and will help you lose arm fat extremely fast. It is one of the best cardio workouts to lose weight. This exercise, as mentioned in the name, resembles a scissors being opened and closed. You need to begin by standing straight, and lifting your arms to shoulder height in front of you. How to do scissors. Stretch your arms to the side and bring them back to your front. The right hand should overlap the left. This resembles an open scissors. You need to stretch them to the side again and bring them back to the front. This time your left arm should overlap your right. This is a complete rep, and this exercise needs to be done in 3 sets of 10 reps every day. Number 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are the ultimate ab workouts for six-pack without equipment. It is the perfect exercise for toned arms and strong core. The normal kind of push-ups will help you to strengthen your muscles. It may be a little difficult at first to gain balance. It is better to practice push-ups by balancing on your hands and knees, not hands and toes. First start off with knee push-ups and then you can go in for the normal ones. This exercise will strengthen your muscles and tone them to the maximum. Do 3 sets of 10 reps every day to get the best results. This is a very effective muscle building exercise. Do try it out. Number 4. Counter push-ups. The counter push-up is an amazing exercise to tone arms that can be done using a table or kitchen counter, as the focus of this exercise is on stability. You need to face the counter with your arms on the edge of it, and your feet touching the base of the counter. Move back from the counter until you feel your body leaning forward on tiptoes. How to do counter push-ups. You need to be balanced on your feet, and your back should be straight. This is your starting position. Bend your elbows and come down till you touch the counter. Now straighten your elbows, and come back to your starting position. This is a complete rep, and you need to do 3 sets of 20 reps every day. This will tone your arms within few weeks. Number 5. Chair dips. This is an effective fat reduce exercise that not only tones the arms, but also the back muscles. For this workout you need to choose a bed or chair, which is a little higher to the ground. Anything that will be stable on the ground is a good choice. A soft cushioned sofa may not be the best idea. It will make the toning exercise harder to perform. The furniture should be at least 2 feet higher than the ground. You should have 3 feet of free space in front of the item to perform this exercise with ease. Face away from the furniture and place your hands on it. Your arms should be shoulder width apart. Move 3 to 4 steps away from the furniture. Keep your upper body straight. This is your starting position. Bend your knees to match the furniture. Bend your elbows and move your whole body to the ground. The aim is to touch the floor. Come back into your normal position. You need to do 3 sets of 20 reps every day. This is undoubtedly one of the best exercises to do to lose weight fast. Number 6. Weightlifting. This is a time-tested exercise to reduce arm fat and have toned arms. It's also an effective exercise to remove belly fat, which strengthens the core. For this exercise, you need to select an item from your home to use as a weight. You can use a 2-liter cold drink bottle or a water bottle for this exercise. If you have a pair of dumbbells at home, it works out just fine. How to do weightlifting. Hold that item with both your hands and lift it over your head. Your arms should be straight, as this is your starting position. Now lower the weight by taking it behind your back. You need to reach it as low as you can. Make sure that you don't hurt yourself. Bring up the weight above your head again. The slower you move your arms, the more toned your arms will get. It is important to keep your upper arms close to your head and ears. Number 7. 1-arm tricep dips. The 1-arm tricep dips is an effective exercise to lose arm fat that primarily focuses on the triceps, the back portion of the arms where most of the fat gets deposited. Being a powerful toning exercise, it can be included in the 1200-calorie diet and exercise plan. The best thing about this exercise is that absolutely no equipments are required for doing it. All you will need is some clear space in your room. How to do 1-arm tricep dips. Sit on the floor with your legs and feet joined together, knees bent and feet placed flat on the floor. Place your hands on the floor about a foot behind your hips. Palms kept shoulder width apart, and fingers pointing towards your back. Now, raise your hips off the floor by straightening your arms. Bend your right elbow to lower your hips as close to the floor as possible, without touching it. Straighten your right arms, and bend your left elbow to again lower your hips, as close to the floor as possible. Repeat on alternate sides. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.